Mabuhay, good day everyone. Today we're going to discuss about correlation and one of the types of correlation coefficient, which is the Pearson-Product moment correlation. And we will give example about this type of correlation coefficient, and we will discuss the step-by-step procedure on how to solve this.
Correlations measure the associations or the strength of the relationship between two variables, say x and y.
These are the general ranges for interpreting correlation coefficients. Correlation coefficient range, positive 0.7 to positive 1.0. It has an interpretation of strong positive. Positive 0.3 to positive 0.7. It has an interpretation of moderate positive. Positive 0.1 to positive 0.3. It has an interpretation of weak positive. 0. It has an interpretation of no correlation. Negative 0.1 to negative 0.3. It has an interpretation of weak negative. Negative 0.3 to negative 0.7, it has a interpretation of moderate negative. Negative 0.7 to negative 1.0, it has a interpretation of strong negative.
We have three types of correlation coefficient. First, we have Pearson-Product moment correlation. Second, Spearman-Strong order correlation. And lastly, we have P correlation. So we will focus on this type, the Pearson-Product moment correlation only. So in this, Carl Pearson invented the Pearson-Product moment correlation, a formula that provides a numerical measure of how strongly two data sets are correlated and indicates whether the correlation is direct, inverse, or non-existent.
In our example for Pearson-Product moment correlation, we have reading comprehension score and the vocabulary test score. And the given for reading comprehension score are 8, 5, 3, 6, 4, 2, 9, 7, 9, and 5. And for the vocabulary test score, we have 5, 4, 7, 6, 8, 9, 7, 3, 2, and 4. Step 1, we need to add all of the given, then kung anong sagot doon, ay kailangan natin i-divide kung ilan ang laman ng nasa column. To compute this, for example, 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 5 is equals to 58, then 58 divide 10 is equals to 5.8. And the final answer for the first column is 5.8. Then for the second column, which is the vocabulary test score, we need to add all of the given, which is 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equals to 55, then 55 divide 10 is equals to 5.5. And the final answer for the second column is 5.5.
For the third column, we have x minus the mean of the first column, which is the reading comprehension score. Step 2, we need to subtract each given to the final answer of the first column. For example, 8 minus 5.8 equals 2.2. Second, 5 minus 5.8 equals negative 0.8. Third, 3 minus 5.8 equals negative 2.8. 6 minus 5.8 equals 0.2. 4 minus 5.8 equals negative 1.8. 2 minus 5.8 equals negative 3.8. 9 minus 5.8 equals 3.2. 7 minus 1.8 5.8 equals 1.2. 9 minus 5.8 equals 3.2. 5 minus 5.8 equals negative 0.8.
Like for example, 5 minus 5.5 is equal to negative 0.5. 4 minus 5.5 is equal to negative 1.5. 7 minus 5.5 is equal to 1.5. 6 minus 5.5 is equal to 0.5. 8 minus 5.5 is equal to 2.5. 9 minus 5.5 is equal to 2.5. 7 minus 5.5 is equal to 1.5. 3 minus 5.5 is equal to negative 0.5. 2 minus 5.5 is equal to negative 3.5. 4 minus 5.5 is equal to negative 1.5.
For the fifth column, we need to square the third column, which is the x minus the mean of the first column. Then we will get the answer for the fifth column. 2.2 squared is equal to 4.84. Negative 0.8 squared is equal to 0.64. Negative 2.8 squared is equal to 7.84. 0.2 squared is equal to 0.04. Negative 1.8 squared is equal to 3.24. Negative 3.8 3x squared is equal to 14.44. 3.2 squared is equal to 10.24. 1.2 squared is equal to 1.44. 3.2 squared is equal to 10.24. Negative 0.8 is equal to 0.64. So we need to add all of this and we will get the total answer, which is 53.6. Note that in this part, the answer must be all positive kahit na negative yung given kasi we need to square it.
For the sixth column, we need to square the fourth column, which is the y minus mean of the second column, then we will get the answer for the sixth column. For example, negative 0.5 squared is equal to 0.25, negative 1.5 squared is equal to 2.25, and 1.5 squared is equal to 2.25, and 0.5 squared is equal to 0.25, 2.5 squared is equal to 6.25, and 3.5 squared is equal to 12.25, 1.5 squared is equal to 2.25, and negative 2.5 squared is equal to 6.25, and negative 3.5 is equal squared is equal to 12.25, and the last one, negative 1.5 squared is equal to 225. We need to add all of this and we will get the total answer, which is 46.5.
For the last column, we need to multiply the column 3 and 4, which is the x minus the mean of the first column and y minus the mean of the second column. Example, 2.2 times negative 0.5 equals 1.1. Negative 0.8 times 1.5 equals 1.2. Negative 2.8 times 1.5 equals 4.2. 0.2 times 0.5 equals 0.1. Negative 1.8 times 2.5 equals 4.5. Negative 3.8 times 3.5 equals 13.2. 3.2 times 1.5 equals 4.8. 1.2 times 2.5 equals 3. 3.2 times negative 3.5 equals 11.2. Negative 0.8 times 1.5 equals 1.2. We need to add all of this and we will get the total answer, which is negative 30.
So this is the formula that we need to use. Based on our given table, the last column is negative 30 divides square root of 53.6 times 46.5. First, we need to solve 53.6 times 46.5 and we will get the answer 2492.4. Then we will divide negative 30 to the square root of 2492.4. Then we will get the answer negative 0.60. So, the interpretation will be moderate negative correlation dahil siya ay pasok sa value ng negative 0.3 to negative 0.7.